Naka-shades ta, naka-salamin tayo lahat. Show your shades, Ay.
Show your glasses, Ay.
Look at, yeah.
Gusto.
The girls have, transparent.
Monochromic.
Hindi,
Monochromic.
Monochromic.
And you have transparent too.
Nah.
Well, I.
Mine is not, it's kinda dark.
Wow, very old.
Boots.
Really gives you the vibe right now.
So cool.
What's cool? Cool that we.
The ice. The ice
the
is
cold.
cool. May tindahan na dito.
Excuse me, Mr. Dog. I would go there, but that was for rent. Rainbow.
Yeah, on the windshield.
Aw.
On the windshield wiper. Windshield wiper.
Windshield wiper. Wind wiper. Windshield wiper. Wiper windshield.
Ay, ano nga yung bibilin mo?
Wiper shield wind. Wiper
Hindi
shield
ka ba
wind.
bibilhin?
Oo, yung
Wiper
kanina.
shield wind. Wiper shield wind.
Gloves ba?
Hindi, yung pag-uwi, pa-uwi. Tapos sabi ko, remind mo ako mamaya.
Bigas?
Bigas. Ayan. Tayong bigasan. Pwede ito naman, doon na lang. Kaso minsan kasi sarado yung binibilang ko. Pag nakakita tayong bigasan.
Doon na lang kasi dadaanan natin yung
Saan?
gagawin na natin tanongin para maganda yung vibes.
Katabi yun eh, hindi yun isang tindahan sila eh.
Kaya nga, pero dadaanan kasi tayo doon.
Pwede. Okay kayo.
Say whatever I say in reverse.
Birds. Ding.
Oh, Gangnam style.
Kira ba? Ding. When you hear a reverse
Wait.
song, and you're like,
And then you try to copy it. And if you reverse that, it's basically the song that you just heard.
Yeah. Bukas, kailangan ko makahiram ng hagdanan para
Alam niyo yung happy go. Natawa ako sa reaction niya. Hello, happy go. See you tomorrow, happy go.
Can you reverse this word? Word two. It's two.
Natawa ako din sa
Screw
Oh, yeah, skimming clearly. Check it first for sensitivity. So don't put your hand outside your... Don't put your hand Wow, there's a many clouds. Uy! McDonald's!
McDonald's!
Grabe na McDonald's! Dapat ng green McDonald's.
McDonald's celebration.
Lalo pag wala sila bigas doon. Anong oras na? Alas 10 na, no?
Mga
11, siguro. Kasi mag-alas 10 yun kanina, di ba? 9, nung tinanong kita, 9.
9. Kasi nagtatrabaho ka pa.
Papa, ulala, ulala. Digi, 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 boom. Digi, 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 boom.
Excavator!
Traffic malamang din.
Oh my gosh, that's a big truck. Oh my gosh. Mitsubishi! Mitsubishi again.
Ethan, ganda ang property. 94. Yung safety something there.
You copy the noise of the e-bike.
Ethan, baby stop. Hindi ko yan yung ako.
Ha?
Hindi kayo maako.
Hindi pa naman. Pero may nung nakaraan na malakas yung ulan, yung nandyan pa tayo nakatira. May time dyan na sinabi nila na apaw na yung
Apaw na.
hindi na tumatawid yung mga tao ano dito.